right behind.
Currently landing aircraft, land of aviation, maintenance supplies, collection to that point.
Kelly 0411, Happy New Year. Correction, Hong Kong Tower, Happy New Year. Runway 07 left. Surface wind 070 degrees, 6 knots. Continue approach.
Continue approach. 0411.
Kelly 0411, runway 07 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 07 left, Cathay 411.
Hello 358, welcome to Hong Kong. Vacate left and hold short of Juliet. Contact Hong Kong ground 122.6. Bye bye.
Vacate left on Juliet, contact Singapore ground 122.6, Hong Kong shuttle 358. Thanks. Happy New Year.
Shuttle 358, Hong Kong Tower.
How's your message for Hong Kong 358?
Shuttle 358, my apologies. Contact Hong Kong ground on 122.55.
122.5, Hong Kong ground, Hong Kong shuttle 358. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Target A446, good evening.
3416 Hong Kong Tower. 65 surface wind 070 degrees, 6 knots, runway 07 right, clear for takeoff.
Copy, script, takeoff, runway 07 right,
Caddy 446, surface wind 070 degrees, 6 knots, runway 07 left, continue approach.
6, continue approach.
Caddy 0411, do you have the new scenery?
Confirm, Cathay 0411.
Caddy 0411, Roger, welcome to Hong Kong. Vacate left on Charlie, contact Hong Kong ground 122.6, bye bye.
Up Charlie and then on to ground, Hong Kong,
Confirm 122.6.
122.6.
Over at 1265, contact departure 122.8, bye bye. Caddy 446, runway 07.
Red 1265 Hong Kong departure. Identify climb unrestricted to 5016.